Hello, fellow adventurers and nature lovers. Today, our virtual journey takes us beneath the surface as we explore the mysterious Lost River Cave in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm your guide, and this is World Knowledge, where we uncover the wonders of our underground world. Join me as we embark on an extraordinary boat tour through the hidden depths of Lost River Cave. Our adventure begins at the entrance, where a world of mystery awaits beneath the surface. Join me as we traverse the lush surroundings and make our way into the depths of Lost River Cave, an enchanting gateway to the underground wonders. As we board our boat, we set sail on the tranquil waters of the subterranean river. Join me as we navigate through the cave system, surrounded by limestone walls adorned with the tales of centuries gone by. The soothing echoes of flowing water guide us deeper into the heart of Lost River Cave. The darkness begins to reveal its secrets as we discover stunning cave formations illuminated by subtle lighting. Join me as we marvel at stalactites and stalagmites that have taken centuries to form, creating a breathtaking underground landscape that seems almost surreal. Lost River Cave isn't just a geological marvel, it holds echoes of history. Join me as we explore historical markers that tell the tales of Native American inhabitation, Civil War activity, and even a legendary riverboat that once navigated these hidden waters. Beneath the surface, a thriving ecosystem awaits. Join me as we encounter cave-dwelling creatures and explore the unique ecosystems that have adapted to the subterranean environment. It's a delicate balance of life hidden away from the sunlit world above. Preserving the delicate balance of Lost River Cave is paramount. Join me as we learn about the conservation efforts led by dedicated experts, ensuring the protection of this underground oasis for future generations. Our journey takes an unexpected turn as we discover natural skylights in the cave, allowing glimpses of daylight to penetrate the darkness. Join me as we witness the interplay between the subterranean world and the sunlight filtering through, creating magical moments in the heart of Lost River Cave. As we conclude our underground adventure, we emerge back into the daylight, having experienced the hidden wonders of Lost River Cave. If you've enjoyed this unique journey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more extraordinary explorations. Until next time, this is your guide from World Knowledge, signing off from the captivating depths of Lost River Cave. Stay curious, stay connected.